Welcome to the instructions video for the Fan Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you analyze fan performance by calculating airflow requirements, power consumption, and operating efficiency for HVAC and industrial ventilation applications. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several key parameters. Start by inputting your room or space volume in cubic feet. Then specify the desired number of air changes per hour based on your ventilation requirements. Next, enter the fan's static pressure rating and efficiency percentage. For our example, let's enter a room volume of 5,000 cubic feet with 6 air changes per hour. We'll set the static pressure to 0.5 inches of water gauge and fan efficiency at 70%. The calculator will then display your required CFM airflow, the brake horsepower needed, and the estimated power consumption in watts, helping you select the right fan for your application. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.